Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tejaswini Nerurkar. And yes, I took a plane from India, and well, it was destined to Paris. And yeah, you can see the clouds and wonderful, landscapes below, the sea, the houses. And there, just before Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris, you can see Eiffel Tower from the plane when it's just about to land. And yes, I landed in Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris. And then I took RERA and then the metro, and then went to Paris city. And just earlier I told you that there's a French correspondent, Anne, and she had visited my place in February 2025. And yes, she invited me at her place when I was touring in France in June 2025. She invited me, and yes, she came to pick me up at the airport. And yeah, then I went at Anne's place, and she has a house just nearby to Eiffel Tower. And you can see over there, when we were going towards her place, well, she just showed me to the right and she said, "Look." And I said, "Oh my God, I could not believe this." I could see the buildings and I could see Eiffel Tower, and I was just, on top of the world after seeing it. I said, "My God, it's so much near, and I can just see it, from here." And then later on, the same evening, she said, "Let's go to Eiffel Tower, and let's go to Pont Neuf." Pont Neuf is a place in Paris, very famous bridge. And she said, "Yes, I live quite close to it, and we can go there, and yeah, you can have a close look at the Eiffel Tower." So then we went there towards Pont Neuf, and yes, you can see that this is the riverside. In Paris is situated on the Seine River, so you can see the banks of the Seine River and the bridge over there. And then that's the Seine River. It's really huge, and there are also boat rides in the Seine River. So we went over there, and there I could see, yes, La Dame, Eiffel Tower, and lit Eiffel Tower in the evening lights. Oh, and then later on, we were just there for some time, just gazing at it, looking at its beauty. And it was just a dream come true for me. And then she showed me that here it's a place, and many a times in the evening there are fashion parades which take place. So that's during the fashion parade season. And then we spent quite a lot of time the evening there, and then we returned back. And while returning back to her place, just saw all the cycles parked over there. These are all the cycles which you can take on rent, and then you can just take it, you go to the destination, and you leave the cycle there. And it was really well arranged and really well kept. We came home quite late that evening after spending the time at the riverside. And then the next day, we were just taking a walk, and I wanted to buy a French SIM card over there, as I was there for a quite a long duration in France. So we were just strolling in the streets, and then I could see a fruits et légumes. Yes, wonderful fruits and vegetables display was there. And I clicked quite many photos. Just wonderful display was done of the fruits, of the seasonal fruits that were available. And then later on, we were taking the streets to go to the other side, and there was supermarché. And then there was a shop where there was a display of Eiffel Tower, and it was actually just in front of the building, and there was the ATM machine. And I was amazed looking at it, that ATM machine is there, and just the landscape behind is the Eiffel Tower. And then Later on, there were some other shops, some pastry shops, and over there you can see that this pastry shop is there. Oh, Merveilleux de Fred, and lovely cakes were displayed over there. Lovely pastries were there, and later on there was another shop also, and beautiful display was done over there. And well, the price and everything, yeah, it was all in euros, quite high priced. And then later on the same day, well, I had to go to another destination. I was going to meet my friend after 26 years. Yes, as I had visited Paris 26 years ago. So that was in 1998. And well, when I was just 18 years old. And now, after 26 years, I was again going there to meet my French correspondent. I had to take another RER, a metro, and then RER. We both were filled with excitement, counting down the moments until we could meet each other. And yes, I mean, we both were very, very excited. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned in. My schedule is a bit busy nowadays, but I will try to make as many videos as possible about my France trip. Merci beaucoup, and do share the video with your friends and family members and students who are learning French language. It's a wonderful occasion for you all to get to know about France as first-hand information. Yeah, thank you. See you soon. Bye bye. Au revoir.